How to download Amazon Prime Video. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can download Amazon's Prime Video. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. So let's get started now. First thing that you'll want to do is open up your App Store. On your App Store, simply search for Prime Video. After you search for that, you'll find Amazon Prime Video, this app right here. So all you now have to do is tap on the install button right here instead of the cloud button. Then your installation should begin with a confirmation. And yeah, it can take some time to download depending on your internet speed. So wait for it, and after it's done downloading, you can then start using it for streaming videos, series, and movies. And yeah, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.